Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you a shipping container home in Cooktown, Australia. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container home. Welcome back. If ever there was a bush retreat designed to get away from it all, then this one definitely fits the bill. This 4-bedroom house on the Mt Mulligan Highway near Cooktown resembles some kind of an installation with views of the Little Annan River Gorge and the Kings Plains Nature Reserve. This home is made from 3 shipping containers and is powered by solar from the panels mounted on the roof. The floor-to-ceiling windows and doors make the most of the stunning views and lets in maximum daylighting into the white-painted interior spaces. A basic dining area with floor-to-ceiling storage units next to it welcomes you into this amazing container home. The kitchen is a small, compact primary space fitted with butcher block countertops, open shelf storage, and under-the-counter custom-made wooden cabinets. The house is comfortable, offering a spacious master bedroom with a comfy king-size double bed, a vanity area, and floor-to-ceiling windows that frame the breathtaking panoramic views unrolling onto the native bushland. The second bedroom features a queen-sized bed, a huge mirror, and good-sized picture windows overlooking the lush grounds with lots of natural light streaming in, creating a sunny and welcoming atmosphere. The third bedroom has got 2 single beds and a handcrafted wooden storage desk made from reclaimed timber, which creates a warm and rustic ambience into the house. Another room offers a daybed and enough storage cabinets. The spacious bathroom is lined with timber and features a toilet, a glass shower cubicle, under the sink storage, and a big mirror to create a spacious bathroom space. By installing large sliding glass doors, the home is being able to open up and blend the lines between inside and out, perfect for the sunny afternoons and warm evenings. The corrugated container walls are also visible throughout the interior and are painted off-white to create a sense of openness, awash with natural light from the sizable glass windows. The floors are finished with timber milled from the property. The hardwood floors add a warm atmosphere to the house. An expansive timber deck can serve as an outdoor dining area or for enjoying the breathtaking attractions and the rolling rural scenery. The house is fitted with proper roofs above the containers to prevent water from pooling on top of the roof and also to keep the interior spaces cool during hot weather. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are equally visible throughout the exterior, which brings out the industrial style of the design. While the green landscaping around the building helps to soften the industrial vibe of the design. The container features a colorful and bright exterior, which makes it to pop against its forested surrounding. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.